What you're looking at is a box. I'm sure you're surprised to just see a box. But what you don't realize is that this just isn't any box. It's your box. And believe it or not, it represents your life. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Waking up too early, only to sit in traffic, pay way too much for gas, to get to a job that doesn't pay enough. Finally getting off work, only to sit in more traffic, then getting home to a mailbox full of bills that you can't afford to pay. Isn't it time you lived outside of the box? Imagine waking up whenever you want, driving your dream car, making money no matter where you are, living a life of total freedom, being able to travel anywhere at any time. Are you ready for this life? Then you are at the right place at the right time. Now, we know what you're thinking.
In today's economy, I can't help but stay in my box. I just don't have time and can't afford anything else. I've even tried and nothing has ever worked for me.
Trust us, we've all been there. But the good news is, there is a way out, and you have just found it. How can we make such a bold claim? Never before in the history of the direct selling and online marketing industry has there been a product so unique that fits the needs of multiple multi-million-dollar marketplaces that are virtually untapped. That's right. With our product and opportunity, you have zero competition.